Today I'm returning to an old ruin I visited several weeks ago whilst I was on a coastal walk from Crail to Anstruther in Fife, which is in Scotland. I've been painting outdoors for years. I've always found the outdoors the most awe-inspiring natural place to be creative, and I think it stems from my childhood of a place of play and creation. The enchanting old cottage, full of mystery, was calling me back. No door to unlock, you are welcomed by spirit of place. Window frames the sea, no glass obstructing the view or shutter to keep out the raw wild elements flowing in and around the crumbling ruin, filling the air with Mother Earth's song. A place to sit and dream and lose yourself. I breathe in the wild raw beauty and allow myself to slip into a state of peace. I become one with wind, sea, rambling bush and spirit. Feeling the energy of this sacred place, I begin to paint. There are no rules, experimenting and experiencing what it's all about, allowing that energy of what I feel flow organically into my art. I love how Mother Earth has reclaimed the cottage, giving it a new charm, mystery and beauty. And I too am worn and weathered by the wild elements and of life itself, yet I feel so free and alive and so connected and real here. Like the ruin, I feel in these wild sacred places we leave a trace of our essence there, and in return it leaves a trace upon us.